Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y squared. First derivative of y, 2y. That is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about u equals to y squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have first derivative of u, and this one we have 2y, and first derivative of y. This one we change by u, 2y, and first derivative of y we change by first derivative of u in here. Later that we divide both sides by this one. Now we have u and first derivative of u. We can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that negative 2s over this one next to u, that is for integrating factor. So now I will show you the technique how to find this integration. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s ds. This one we change by u, this one we change by u. 2s ds we change by du. Next, we put negative number 1 cone here. And now we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put about a over 1 plus 2u, b over 1 plus u. And now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about 1 plus u. So capital A multiplied by 1 plus u. About this one, it is missing about 1 plus 2u. And now we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. So we have a plus 2b, and the next one we have a plus b. So we don't have u in here, so a plus 2b equals to number 0. We have negative number 1, so a plus b equals to negative number 1. And now we have the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A and B. So A equals to negative number 2, B equals to positive number 1. So we put A and B go in here. And now we have the final answer, the integration of this one. We have negative ln of the absolute value of 1 plus 2u, because if we do first the derivative of this one, we have number 2 over 1 plus 2u. This one we have ln of the absolute value of 1 plus u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So in this situation, from here, we just put about this one. But we don't need to use the absolute value in here. So for this one, we can put like this. So we can simplify. So this one we have e to the power of ln plus 1 plus s square. We have 1 plus s square in here. This one we have the power, we have the negative, so we have 1 plus 2s square on the denominator. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So we need to simplify. This one we have number 1. This one we simplify into 2su over 1 plus 2s square, everything to the power of 2. So we can put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b, and we have first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one in here, we just have only like this one and u. This one we have s, and I will put about c. About u, that is about y square. This is the end. Thank you for watching.